We're gonna be talking about something I found a little bit interesting. I found on YouTube, all right, and this is on Eddie Wu YouTube channel, all right. So go ahead, check him out, and I'm just gonna tell you guys what I learned from his YouTube channel. All right, I'm gonna kind of sum it up, okay. So we know that we learned in second grade or something. I don't know when you guys learned it, but I learned it in elementary school that 0 to the x power is just going to be equal to 0. All right, right? Because think about it. If you multiply 0 x times, you're just going to end up with 0 again. And x to the 0 power, well, that's just equal to 1, right? We learned that as one of our properties of exponents, right? But let's go in a little deeper to this. Let's try, what happens if we mix these two up, right? What I mean by that is what if we kind of combine our little rules with each other, right? So we have 0 to the x power is equal to 0. We have x to the 0 power is equal to 1. But what happens if we have 0 to the 0 power? Is it equal to 0, right, as shown in here? Or is it equal to 1, as shown in here, right? This is kind of confusing for us. And so if you plug this into your calculator, you get an answer that is undefined. But let's try to get a value where 0 to 0 power approaches, all right? And what I mean by that is, let's start plugging in small numbers into our calculator, okay? So I'm going to bring my calculator over here. So what if we had 0.01 over to the 0.01 power, right? We're just going to keep approaching 0 with our base and our exponent. So let me draw a table right here. So I have 0.01 to the 0.01 power. Well, that's just equal to this number right here, 0.9549, so on, right? And so we're gonna keep getting smaller with this, and we're gonna keep getting smaller with this, and we're gonna try to approach the number 0. So we're gonna go back to our calculator. We're gonna call it 0.001 to the 0.001 power, not 4, 1. And what do we get? We get 0.99311. All right, so we're gonna 0.00 to the 1 power. Oh, I wrote that messy. 0.001 to the 0.001 power. That's just equal to 0.9931, so on. Okay. And so what do we notice so far? We notice that our numbers are getting closer and closer to the number 1. But let's just keep going. Okay. What about 0.0001 to the 0.0001 power? That's equal to 0.999079, so on. So if I wrote this down, 0.0001 to the 0.0001, we would get 0.99907, so on, right? So all we're doing when we approach 0 with our, all we're doing is getting smaller. When we approach 0 with our base, and we also approach 0 with our exponent, we start to approach our answer 1 right here, all right? And so what is that telling us with our properties? That tells us that is one property really more important than another property, right? Is x to the 0 power equal to 1? Is that more important than this power right here, right? Because in this, we're approaching 1. And what our rules are telling us that it should approach to 0, all right? Because, we're approaching 0 in our base. And so, I just found that a little bit interesting on Eddie Wu's channel, all right? So go ahead, if you want to find a little bit more about this, check this out on his channel. And also, I hope you guys discussed a little bit about this in the chat room, right? Because I just found this really interesting, how one property can be more important than the other, all right? And so our final answer was 0 to the 0 power. It's not really equal to anything. It's actually about, right? It kind of approaches our number 1, okay? And there you go.